Hello and welcome to Sportstar. We are here to discuss India's first test against the West Indies at Windsor Park in Rosso, Dominica. India had a comfortable win, winning by an innings and 141 runs against the hosts. This continues India's streak of victories against the West Indies, which dates back to 2001. India's two main performers in the match were Ravichandran Ashwin and Yashasvi Jaiswal, both players for Rajasthan Royals in the IPL. Yashasvi Jaiswal in particular had a memorable debut to remember, scoring 171 runs in India's first innings. Jaiswal, who has scored 1,845 runs in first-class cricket before his debut at an average of over 80.21, was announced to be making his debut by Rohit Sharma in the press conference right before the match. Jaiswal became the third highest scorer for India on Test debut, following Shikhar Dhawan and Rohit Sharma. He also holds the record for the most balls faced by an Indian on Test debut. Jaiswal and Rohit put up a 229-run partnership for the first wicket, overcoming West Indies' first innings score by themselves. This was India's highest first wicket partnership in an away test and also the highest against the West Indies. Coming to the bowling front, Ravichandran Ashwin had a game to remember, picking up 12 wickets in the test match. He completed a 5-wicket haul in both the first and second innings, taking his 5-wicket haul tally to 34. Picking up 7 second innings wickets in 1.5 sessions on the last day of play, Ravichandran Ashwin took his 10-wicket haul tally to 8, equaling Anil Kumble's record for India. An important takeaway for India from this test match will be that they have finally found a left-handed top-order batter in Test cricket for the first time since Shikhar Dhawan was dropped from the team. Ravichandran Ashwin, on the other hand, has shown again that he is one of India's leading game-changing wicket takers and that the decision to drop him for the World Test Championship final in England was probably not the right one. Coming to the hosts, the West Indies, they will be disappointed after two lackluster batting performances, where debutant Alec Athanaze was their top scorer in both innings. Captain Craig Brathwaite and middle order batsman Jermaine Blackwood, who have scored the most runs for the team in Test cricket, will be looking to have better performances in the second Test, which begins at Port of Spain, Trinidad on July 20th. India, on the other hand, will be looking to make it 2 wins out of 2 and seal the series with a 2-0 victory, similar to the last time they visited the Caribbean.